Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from one of the state university guys. And really it is a very good news to the PG candidates. Why? Because if you don't have the UGC NET or the PhD also, here the opportunities are there for applying the assistant professor vacancies. And along with the assistant professor here, the teaching assistant vacancies are also there. So here the huge number of subjects as well as the vacancies are also very more guys. And the candidates who are having only post graduation, you will get the salary 25,000 rupees per month, and the PG plus UGC NET or SET qualified candidates will get the 35,000 rupees per month. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch the video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the subjects in this assistant professor vacancies notification from the state university. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the Sardar Patel University. It is one of the state government university from Gujarat guys. And here you may check down the advertisement for the various posts of ad hoc assistant professor as well as ad hoc teaching assistant purely on temporary basis. Okay, so you just click on this one and then you will be directed to this PDF guys. So here you may check down Sardar Patel University Vallabh Vidyanagar notification. So Registrar Sardar Patel University invites applications in the prescribed form for the following various posts of ad hoc assistant professor or ad hoc teaching assistant purely on temporary basis. The said posts are purely on temporary basis for 11 months or as per the requirement from time to time, whichever is earlier in the various departments. Right? And you may check down here the departments coming to the chemistry, physical chemistry 2 and inorganic chemistry 2, organic chemistry 1 and analytical chemistry or industrial polymer chemistry 1, microbiology, biotechnology, biochemistry, botany, zoology, foods and nutrition, electronics, statistics and pharmaceutics, chemistry or applied chemistry and physics or applied physics, biochemistry or biotechnology or microbiology and bioinformatics and chemistry or defense science, physics, earth science or mathematics and Sanskrit, social work, HR and business law, criminal law as well as the special education. So these are the different departments or the subjects guys. Total 24 subjects are there. Okay, so if you belongs to any one of the subject, then you may proceed further, or else please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. The last date for submission of hard copy of application along with all the testimonials to the below address, that is the Registrar Sardar Patel University Vallabh Vidyanagar, including the postal processing days. Okay, you have to send before 25th June 2021 up to evening 5 o'clock. Fine. So here there is no online application form guys. Okay, everything is you have to send hard copy to the mentioned address. Okay, and coming to the qualification, we will see here for chemistry, MSc with 55% of marks. Okay, or else an equivalent grade in the point scale wherever his grading system is followed in a concerned subject with specialization in respective branch, physical or inorganic or organic or analytical industrial polymer chemistry. And the candidates who are having PhD or NET or SLET candidates will be given preference. Okay, that means here the mandatory qualification is the MSc with 55% of marks, and the desirable qualification is the PhD or NET or the SLET. And coming to the biosciences, almost the same, MSc with minimum 55% of marks, and your specialization microbiology or biotechnology, biochemistry or botany or zoology from a recognized university, and the PhD NET or SLET will be given preference. And coming to the home science, MSc home science with 55% of marks in the subject of foods and nutrition, food biotechnology from recognized university, PhD or NET or SLET will be given as a preference. And coming to the electronics, MSc with 55% of marks in the subject of electronics from a recognized university, and the PhD NET or SLET will be given preference. And coming to the statistics, MSc with minimum 55% of marks in the subject of MSc statistics or applied statistics or QPM from a recognized university, and these are given preference. And coming to the pharmaceutical science, essential first class B Pharm and M Pharm with minimum 55% of marks. PhD qualification is the desirable one, guys. And while coming to the M Pharm course, essential qualification required are first class B Pharm and M Pharm with minimum 55% of marks and more than 5 years of experience. And here also the desirable is PhD qualification. Fine. And coming to the chemistry or the applied chemistry, so here MSc with minimum 55% of marks with specialization in the respective branch of chemistry or applied chemistry. Okay, and these things will be given as a preference. And physics or applied physics, MSc with minimum 55% of marks in the subject of physics or applied physics from the recognized university. And coming to the biochemistry, MSc with 55% of marks in the subject of biochemistry or biotechnology or microbiology from a recognized university. And bioinformatics also same thing. And coming to the chemistry or defense science, MSc with 55% of marks minimum in subject of chemistry or defense science, and these things are given preference. And coming to the physics or earth science mathematics, so MSc with 55% of marks in these subjects. And coming to the Sanskrit, master's degree with minimum 55% of marks in the subject of Sanskrit. And the social work is also same in the subject of MSW or MSWHR or MHRM. And coming to the business law, LLM with minimum 55% of marks in the subject of business law. And the law department, same in the subject of criminal law. While coming to the special education, master's degree in any discipline with not less than 50% of marks, but MEd is required. MEd degree in specific disability area with not less than 55% of marks, or a equivalent degree from a foreign university recognized by the RCI. And desirable is MPhil or PhD in the special education. Right? So total, these are the different subjects and their corresponding number of vacancies as well as the qualification, guys. So it is a purely contractual basis for the 11 months. Okay, so you check down, guys. And the net select or PhD qualified candidates will be given as 35,000 rupees per month. And while coming to the others means the candidates who are having only post graduation will get 25,000 rupees consolidated pay per month. Fine. And the interested candidates, an application form and a separate sheet should be sent along with the demand draft of 250 rupees for SC/ST and 500 rupees for other candidates non-refundable in favor of Registrar Sardar Patel University, Vallabh And application form and a separate sheet of advertisement neatly typed in the prescribed form using Microsoft Word Arial Unicode fonts of size 11. That means the application form you should not fill up with your own handwriting, guys. You have to fill up the application form in the Microsoft Word. The font size as well as the font is also given here. So you please check down, guys. And each with self-attested copies of certificate in support of their qualifications or the experience or age or publications and all other claims made by them in a proper sequence of enclosures with numbering. And separate applications are required for each post. Otherwise, the application form will be rejected. That means if you want to apply for the more than one subject, then you have to take the applications for more than one application. That means how many subjects you are applying for, those many applications, those many demand drafts you have to take. And if the space provided in the application form and separate sheet is insufficient, increase the rows columns of the respective item. In all cases, the information should be provided in the table provided. Right? And the candidates are requested to bring the original and photocopies of mark sheets, passport size photograph and other certificates if any. And the candidates have to attend the interview at their own cost, and interview will be held in the university office itself. That means there is no online interview here, guys. You have to physically attend for the interviews in the university office itself. And the candidates who are in service must produce the no objection certificate from your organization or the institute at present in where you are working. And the application forms you can download from the university website, and the link is also provided here. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys, so that you will get the more details regarding this one. And the last date of receipt of application by the university is 25th June 2021. And here the application form is also attached to this one, guys. Okay, so you may check down. Okay, so what are the details given here? Okay, once please go through all these details, guys. Okay, and go through the careers of the Sardar Patel University of this college, guys. Then you will get the remaining details. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, Myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.